What is up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to make money online and also build an email list by just giving something away? Yes, I got something really interesting to tell you about in my review of Wombat Wealth, but it's important to listen to this video because I'm also going to tell you about the one issue that I have with it, which is kind of an issue where it felt unfair, but don't worry, I've got the solution for you. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as, well, grandma's fruitcake on Christmas that, everybody passes it around and whatever. Anyway, seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Or really, every single day you gotta complain about things? I admit there's one issue that's a bit unfair here, but don't worry. I'm going to deal with it for these fine people. And you're not helping at all. He's really not. He's so annoying. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, bad luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, we've been watching Liz on 30 Rock. We're almost finished now. We started during the lockdown. Now we're kind of looking at another lockdown. I guess we're going to have to find somebody else to watch. And poor Liz, she's a sweetheart. I don't know. We're going to miss watching her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and select all because, frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for Wombat Wealth. What the heck is a wombat anyway?
And whatever Robin is, I believe a wombat.
Oh, so that's what one was. Oh, okay, fine, cool. Yeah. But seriously, so this is some of the sales numbers that my buddy Doug Wood has been able to do in his sales. This is from July of 2020. Obviously, he's doing quite well for himself with his business. He's making some good money. Now, here's the thing. First of all, I'm not a big fan of these particular type of screenshots because you can see over here, this side is vendor sales, $5,224. Okay. And really, a lot of that went to affiliates. It made a few $1,000s as a vendor. Don't get me wrong. He's making good money. Okay, but the side that you really want to pay attention to is going to be this side, which is going to be the affiliate stats, where he's basically made $1,800, which is still great money. You probably are not a vendor yourself, so you're probably not going to be seeing this kind of money because he does have a list that's already built, but you are going to be able to make some good money with Wombat Wealth. And I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses because they're really, really important because there's an issue that I have with Wombat Wealth. Basically, Wombat Wealth, what it's designed to do is to teach you how to go out, give away Wombat Wealth, the whole course and everything. And the idea is that people who get it, when they get it, are basically going to get the course for free. You are going to give it away for free. You obviously are paying for it the first time, which is where the unfairness comes in. But I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do to make sure that it is fair for you in just a second. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to give it away for free in order to build up your list and to make something extra. So first of all, I think it's a bit unfair. Now, to be fair to Dawood, when people request to give it away for free, they're not going to be approved until after the launch, which of course will help you if you are picking it up now because you're going to be able to do it for free right away. You're going to be able to give it away immediately. Other people are not going to be able to get approved. If they've gotten in on the free version, they're not going to be able to get approved to give it away until after the launch. So that's kind of like a little bit of a bonus for you picking it up now. But I really wanted to give you something that would be very special to make this something that is, well, makes it worth your while to pick it up for what, about 10, $15, whatever it's going to cost for you. Okay, it's really even inexpensive. I'll show you the members area in just a minute, but I want to explain to you what I'm giving you as a bonus. So first of all, because you're going to get to give away Wombat Wealth, I figure you might as well get to give away something else. I'm also going to give you the right to give away my own product, which is called Durable. I know some of you who are watching this video may have already purchased Durable, but the difference is that you purchased Durable, and it's only now that somebody's able to give it away, like, what, about 9 months later. So it's not quite the same thing. It's more like the difference between paying to watch a movie in the movie theater as opposed to seeing it for free on television, 6 or 9 months or 10 or 12 months later. Because, well, yeah, okay, you paid to watch it in the theater, but you also got it right away, as opposed to somebody else who waited 9 months or something to see it on TV with the commercials and whatnot. Anyway, so you're going to be able to give away Durable for free. That's going to be my first bonus to you. The second bonus is going to be really cool. And this is where I think that I'm going to give you the value, more than the value of Wombat Wealth. So one of the things you're going to want to do is to give away a custom bonus. Now, the problem is that it's hard to find a good custom bonus. Okay, obviously you can give away Durable as a bonus, but I really want to give you something very, very special. Now, I have a brand new product that I put out called Conversion Champ. Basically, what the software does is it pops up those little notifications that you see where it says so-and-so just bought, or it gives you like random reviews and stuff. It's a really cool software. I do charge $10 per month for Conversion Champ. So when you pick up Wombat Wealth from me, you're going to get 20 licenses to give away as a bonus. You're going to be able to give away 2 months of Conversion Champ to anybody who wants it. You're going to get 20 licenses to do that. You'll get instructions inside the bonus doc explaining how to actually give away your 20 licenses. And basically, you're going to be able to give them away as a free gift, as another bonus that you can give away. And that's basically $20 per license that you're giving away of value. That basically is going to be, 20 times 20 is $400 worth of value for a product that costs $15. So that's a pretty good deal, I think. Obviously, I do have an ulterior motive. If your customers who you give away the 2 months to like it, then hopefully they'll sign up and pay me for it as well. You can sign up as an affiliate and use your affiliate link to have them make sure that you're going to get the 50% commissions on it. That's fine. I don't mind. But then this way, it's basically a win-win for both of us. So that's what I'm going to give you. But I also got one other thing I'm giving you. So I'm currently working on a new course called Email Success Secrets. And I have had some insane results from my new methods that I've been using. I've gone from open rates of about 4 or 5% to open rates of 30%. Okay, even on a list which was made up mostly of freebie seekers. And this was a list that I got before I started really getting into affiliate marketing and knew what I was doing. I paid someone to build this list. It was a big mistake. The guy sent me a bunch of crappy leads that never opened. Literally, I was getting about 1.5%, 1 to 1.5% open rate on that list. And with the new techniques,
You rock!
Used it in my head. I like the course. I like everything about it. I just wish you could have, if you would have come up with a way of making it a little bit fairer. But as I said, with my own bonus, I think it's more than fair what you're going to be getting in order to give this away. I forgot to mention, by the way, if you get any upgrade, I'll give you double the number of licenses for Conversion Champ. Pick up any 2 upgrades, get triple the number of licenses, and of course, so on and so forth throughout all the upgrades. So go ahead and grab this. It's a good course. It's going to help you out. It's going to make you money if you actually put it into play and you actually use it.